see that what is mean by projection. Suppose we have a vector A here. This is vector B. Okay, let this be the vector A, and this is vector B. And this theta is yes, for this is a new topic. Okay, and this theta is the angle between these two vectors. Let this point be A, let this is B, and let this be C. So if you will draw perpendicular from A to this BC, let this be M, then BM is said to be BM is said to be the projection is said to be the projection of vector B on vector A. Okay, BM is said to be the projection of B on A. Okay, so this is the projection. This is the projection of B on A. This one. So we need to find the BM. Now, please check this. In this triangle, in triangle ABM, cos theta is equal to base BM by hypotenuse by vector B. So BM is equal to what? BM is magnitude of B into cos theta. Okay, so basically we need to find this value. Now you know that A dot B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B into cos theta. Okay, so what we can say, shift this A to the denominator, you will get A dot B by magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B cos theta. So we can also say magnitude of B cos theta is equal to A dot B by magnitude of A. And what is B cos theta? It is nothing, it is BM, which is the projection. So this is nothing, it is projection of B on A. Projection of B on vector A. So it is equal to what? A dot B by magnitude of A. So if you need to find the projection on any vector, then find the dot product and divide with its magnitude. If you're finding the projection on A, divide with the magnitude of. Okay. Please check here. We have two vector A and B. What is meant by projection? If from this point A, you will draw a perpendicular, then this one, BM is said to be the projection of B on A. Okay. This BM is said to be the projection of B on A. Okay. You have two vectors, you're finding the projection of B on A, then that means draw perpendicular from here to here, and this is called the projection of B on A. This definition is clear. Who have this doubt? First, this definition is clear that what is the projection?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so that means we need to find the value BM. Okay. How we calculate it? We have find it. Just give. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. So cos triangle ABM here, cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. Okay, base is BM in this triangle, and what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AB, which is what? Which is a magnitude of B. So BM we get magnitude into cos theta. If you will see the dot product, then A dot B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B into cos theta. Shift this A to the left side, you get this, and this is nothing, it is BM. Okay, magnitude B cos theta is nothing, BM. What is BM? It is the projection of B on A. Is it clear for now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you need to find the projection of B on A, find dot product, divide with A. If you are finding A on B, projection A on vector B, then what is the formula? A dot B As you're finding the projection on this vector, so divide this with b. Okay. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Please note down this, confirm me, then I will give you a question on the basis of this. Is it done? Abdul Fad Rifat? Abdul Fad Rifat? Okay, Fad. Abdul and Rifat, is it done? Okay, Rifat. Abdul, is it done? Abdul is not here, so let me write a question in the meantime. Find the projection. Find the projection of the vector. Find the projection of the vector, this one. 7I cap plus j cap minus 4k cap on 2I cap plus 6j cap. Abdul, you have completed the last slide.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now please try this question and share your answer. Okay.
So it's one, I guess.
Which one? This? This is 7. 7I cap. Please complete this in 3 minutes. Okay. Eight is correct, but why you're getting 66 far? You have to find the projection on this. So under root 2 square is 4, 36 plus 9. So 36, 40, 49. So what is 49? 7. Okay, your projection, you're finding the projection on B, so in denominator this will come. Okay, so the correct answer is 8 by 7. Abdur, you're getting the same answer?
Well, just doing some.
You did for a vector. Which vector? For which vector? Vector A? No. Find the projection of this vector on this. So if you're finding the projection on this should come in the denominator. Okay?
So the second vector you are taking magnitude.
Yes, check the formula. We are finding the projection of B on A. So in the denominator, we have A. Okay? We are finding the projection on this. So shift this to denominator. Similarly, here you are finding projection on this vector. So this should come in the denominator. Okay? So Abdur, you have done this. Rifat, is it completed? Okay, great, great. What is it clear? Shall we start next? What shall we start next? Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now, in this topic, the last thing is properties of dot product. Properties of dot product. Okay. So the first property is A dot B is equal to B dot A. Either you're finding A dot B or you're finding B dot A, it is the same thing. These two are equal. So we will say it is a commutative property. It is a commutative property. Okay. Second is distributive property. Distributive property. Okay. Distributive is what? A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C. Okay. So you will find the dot product with B, then you will find the dot product with C. This is the distributive property. Okay, please note down this, raise your hand. Now we will start the cross product. Okay, this topic is completed. The last is cross product. We will try to complete it today.
Done, sir.
Okay, great. Rifat, is it done? Okay, Fat, good. Rifat, is it done? Okay, great, great. Now next our topic is vector or cross product. Okay, we have a two type of product. we have two types of product. Okay, first is dot product, dot or scalar. So that means dot product give you the scalar quantity. Second is vector or cross product. There's a second type of product which will give you a vector quantity. Okay, let A and B be two non-zero vectors, be two non-zero vectors. Let A and B be two non-zero vectors, and theta be the theta be the angle between them, angle between them, such that such that theta lie between 0 and pi. Such that this one, the cross product or vector product, the vector product between the vector product between A and B is is defined as A cross B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta, n cap. Okay, so the vector product between A and B is defined as A cross B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta, n cap. What's the n cap? N cap is a unit vector, perpendicular, perpendicular to perpendicular to both A and B, perpendicular to both, just give me, perpendicular to both A and B, such that such that A, B, n cap form a right-handed coordinate system. Coordinate system. Okay, so what is mean by this? Please check this figure. Suppose we have this vector A, we have this vector B. This is a vector A, this is a vector B. Okay, and theta is the angle between these two. If we are finding A cross B, if we are finding A cross B, then the formula is magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta, n cap. What is n cap? It is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B such that A, B, n cap form a right-handed coordinate system. What is mean by this? If you're finding the A cross B, then put your hand in this direction so that your fingers will be in the direction of A. Okay? Put your hand like this if you're finding A cross B. Then move your finger towards B. Then this thumb will give you the direction of n cap. So for this case, this n cap, the direction of n cap is outside your screen. Your thumb is going outside your screen. So here the direction of n cap is outside the screen. Okay. And this, you can see this thumb is perpendicular to both A and B. So what is n cap? It is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. In this figure, it is not possible for me to represent this clearly. So I will draw n cap like this, like okay, like this. So this n cap will be perpendicular to both A and B. Okay, and what is mean by right-handed coordinate system? Right-handed coordinate system means if you will put your fingers in the direction of A and you will go towards B, then thumb will give you the direction of n cap. So in this case, the direction is outside your screen. Here, this thumb is perpendicular to both A and B. Okay, what happen if you will find B cross A? What will be our formula? Magnitude of B, magnitude of A, sine theta, n cap. Now, what is the direction of this n cap in B cross A? Put we are finding B cross A. Okay, so put your finger in the direction of B, move this towards A, then this thumb is going inside the screen. Okay, so here the n cap is again perpendicular to both A and B, but it is going inside the screen. Is this clear, Abdur Fawad Rifat? N cap will play a very important role in the questions. Is it clear that what is n cap?
Yes, sir.
Good. Abdur Rifat, is it clear what is n cap? Okay. Okay, Rifat. Okay, Abdur. Abdur, so uh, we are finding the cross product. Cross product means whenever we will find the vector or cross product, it will give resultant as a vector. So what is vector here? This n cap is a vector. Okay. So n cap is showing this rule is right and yes. So yes, Fahad. So this n cap is showing the direction of the resultant. Okay, so in this case, what is the direction of n, or how can you find the direction of n? If we are finding A cross B, then please, Abdul, please do with me. Put your finger in the direction of A like this. Move your finger in the direction of B, then check where your thumb is going. It is going outside the screen. So in this case, the n cap is perpendicular to both A and B, and its direction is outside the screen. That's why we will say this is a right-handed coordinate system. Is it clear, Abdul? Abdul, is it clear? Okay. One more thing, what cross product give you? If you have two vector A and B, you're finding the cross product. Suppose there are certain value and you get this one, 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. This is the resultant I'm saying. If you're finding the cross product, suppose you are getting this one. So what is the direction of this? Who can tell me? What is the direction of this vector? It is perpendicular to both A and B. This vector is perpendicular to both A and B. Why? Because there's a cross product. I already told you here, what is the direction of n cap? It is perpendicular to both A and B. So in some questions, indirectly, they ask you about the cross product. Suppose they give you two vectors and they said you to find a vector which is perpendicular to both the vector. So in that case, you have to find the cross product. Okay? Because here the cross product will give you a vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. So always remember, if you're finding the cross product, that means you are finding a vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. Is it clear, Abdul Fad Rifat? Okay, indirectly they can ask you a question from the vector product. Is it clear? I consider your silence as yes. Okay, please note down this. Raise your hands once it is done. Okay, I will again explain the same thing to you in some questions. Okay, first I was saying that indirectly they can ask you a vector which is perpendicular to two given vectors. Okay, so in vector product, what the resultant you get? The resultant is perpendicular to both A and B. We are getting this now. This is the resultant. What is the direction of this? Direction same as n cap. What is the n cap? N cap is perpendicular to both A and B. Okay, so vector product will give you a vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. Is it clear for? They can give a question like this. Indirectly, they can ask you about the vector product. Okay. Okay, Fahad, good. So all of you, please note down this. Raise your hands, and then we will start some questions. Okay. Please note down this in 2 minutes. Just write this. Okay. Just write right-handed system. Okay, Abdur. Okay, Rifat. Very good. Fahad, please confirm if it is done. Great. Next, some notes. if A and B are collinear, if A and vector B are collinear, okay, so that is theta is either 0 or 180, is 0 degree or 180, okay, then A cross B is equal to 0 vector, okay, because in the formula A cross B we have magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta n cap. So if theta is 0 or 180, this will become 0. So this, okay. Second, if vector A is 0 or B is 0, we also get then A cross B will give us 0. Third, A cross A, the angle between the same vector is 0. So this will also give us 0 vector. Okay, please note down these 3 points. Then I will give you a formula and then we will solve some questions. Okay, Fahad, good. Abdur and Rifat, is it done? Okay, Rifat, good. Abdur, is it done? Okay, okay. Okay, Abdur, please complete this, raise your hands, and we will check one more formula. Abdur, is it done? Abdur, I will consider your silence as yes. Okay, and I'm going to start next topic. Okay. Some more notes. Anyone can tell me what is I cross I? Anyone, what is I cross I? 0. Okay, because the vector are same, so the angle between them is 0, so it will give you 0. Similarly, j cap into j cap give you 0. Similarly, k cap into k cap give you 0. Now, remember this. Okay, this is I cap, anti-clockwise direction. J cap, k cap. Okay, remember this in anti-clockwise direction. If you are going in this direction, anti-clockwise, if you are finding I cross j cap, I cross j, this will give you k cap. Okay, mark ijk in anti-clockwise direction. If you are going in this direction, anti-clockwise, I cross j will give you k. Similarly, j cross k, who can tell me what is j cross k?
I.
I. Very, very good. If you are finding k cap into I cap, it will give you j cap. But if you will go in opposite direction, for example, like clockwise, if you will find this j cross I, okay, now the direction is opposite, so you will get minus k cap. If you will find someone has a doubt, yes, negative, that's correct. If you're finding I cap cross k cap, you will get minus j cap. If you're finding k cap cross j cap, you will get minus I cap. Okay, if you will go in anti-clockwise direction, you will get this answer. But if you're going in clockwise direction, then this will become negative. Please note down this. Again, raise your hand. One more formula, then we can start the questions. Okay. Okay, Fahd, very good. Abdur and Rifat, please raise your hands if it is done. Okay, Rifat, very good. Abdur, is it done? Mm, okay, Abdur, I will start next. Uh, I and J are similar? No, I'm sorry. This is I cap and this is J cap. Okay, Abdur? This is I cap. Is it clear, Abdur, now? Abdur, is it clear now? Okay, great. Next is vector product. Vector product in terms of in terms of components. Vector product in terms of components. Okay. Suppose you have a vector A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap. You have another vector B which is B1 I cap, B2 J cap, B3 K cap. Okay. You have two vectors. You need to find A cross B. Okay. How you can find it? So dot product, dot product you can find out directly. Okay. But in vector product, you have to use this formula. If you are finding A cross B, then this is a determinant. You already know how to solve the determinant. Then write I cap, J cap, and K cap. Then first is vector A, so write its component A1, A2, A3. Next is vector B, so write its component B1, B2, B3. Now you need to solve this determinant. You all know how to solve this. You can do this on your own. Abdur, Fahd and Rifat. If you will get a question where you have two vectors, okay, and you need to find the cross product, then make a determinant, write I cap, J cap, K cap, write their components in the sequence, then just open the determinant. You will get your answer. Okay, so please note down this. I will give you a question. Try that question, and I'm sure you can solve that one. Okay, Abdur. Fahd and Rifat, please raise your hands if it is done. Okay, Fahd, good. Rifat, please confirm. Okay, great, great. Now please try this question. Question is find A cross B. Find A cross B if vector A is equal to 2 I cap plus K cap and vector B is equal to I plus J plus K cap. Okay, please find the cross product. Very good, Fahad. This is correct. Plus 2k. Very good, very good. Abdur and Rifat, please confirm your answer. Very good, Abdur. It is correct. Rifat, please share your answer if it is time. No, Rifat. Rifat, we are finding the vector product. Okay. So that means if you're finding the vector product, then your resultant should be a vector. You have sent me the answer as a scalar, so that is not correct. Okay. Abdur and Rifat, you can start question number 2. In the meantime, I will explain this to Rifat. So Rifat, we are finding cross product. So the first thing is you should get a vector. Okay, and you have given me the scalar. So that's not correct. Now write all the values here. For the A, this is 2, this is 0, this is 1. For B, it is 1, 1, and 1. Okay, so um, expand this along the first row. So I cap, this one, 0, minus 1. Then minus J cap, 2, minus 1. Then plus K cap, 2, minus 0. So here you will get minus I cap, minus J cap, plus 2K cap. Is it clear, Rifat? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Understood. Okay. So please note down this and then start question number 2. Very good, Abdur. It is correct. Yes, lambda is 3. Find new. Good. And Fahd and Ifat, please share your answer if it is time. Very good, Abdur. It is correct. Very good. Lambda is 3. New is 27 by 2. Very good. Fahd and Ifat, please share your answer if it is time. Rifat, lambda is correct. It is 3. It should be 27 by 2. New should be 27 by 2. Please check this, Rifat. Uh, this is the answer. Fahd, are you getting this? Oh, okay, Rifat. Very, very good. Fahd, are you getting this? Okay, great, great. Now next question. Question third. This question came CBSE 2020. Sorry, 2015. If R is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay, just give me a minute. Find the value. Find the value of. Find the value of R cross I cap dot product R cross j cap plus xy. This question came in CBSE 2015. Okay, please try this one. If anyone need a hint, please let me know. Okay, Abdur, please check here. So here you need to find this R cross I, R cross J, then you need to find the dot product. So what is R? R is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay, you need to find R cross I. Okay, so this means xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap cross product with I. So I, j, k. Now, if you're finding the xi with I, you will get a 0. I cross I is 0 plus yj cross I. What is j cross I, Abdur? What is j cross I? J cross I. What is it, Abdur?
Minus K cap.
Minus k. Very good. Minus k cap because the direction is clockwise. Now k cross I. What is k cross I? What is k cross I?
J cap.
J cap. Very good. J cap. Okay. So R cross I, you get this. Similarly, you can find R cross J. Then find the dot product between them and then plus xy, you will get your answer. Okay. Please try this question and share your answer with me. Very good, Rifat. It is correct. Very good. Abdur and Fat, please share your answer. For R dot R cross J, you are getting minus ZI. Good. plus x k cap. Very, very good. Then find the dot product between them. And then finally add xy in it. Okay. Abdur, if you have completed this, please share your answer.
So we have to find the cross product between x I cap and then second
Yes.
vector.
R cross I have found out here. Okay. If similarly you will find R cross J, then this you will get this one minus zi cap plus x k cap. Okay. Then find the dot product between these two. Please check the question. Here you need to find dot product between these two. Please try this.
So then we should add xy.
Yes, Abdur.
Then we should add x.
This one R cross J. Your voice is not clear, Abdur. You need to find this.
We should add xy also.
Not clear, Abdur. Um, please find the dot product between them and add xy as per the question. Further, Abdur, do you need a hint or you are doing this question? Because I want to complete this topic today. Is it done, Abdur and Fahad? Fahad and Abdur, shall I start next question? Uh, Zero is the answer. Very, very good. Who has sent this? Uh, Answer is zero. Answer is zero. Please check here. So R dot R cross I you get this, R cross J you get this. Okay, so this means this is what Z J cap minus Y K cap dot product minus Z I cap plus X K cap. Find the dot product. Okay, now J dot I will give you 0. This with K will give you 0. Minus this will give you plus 0. This with this minus xy k cap dot k cap will give you 1. And in the question here you have a plus xy. So final answer is 0. Okay, clear for Further, is it clear? Further, my voice is audible. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great, great. Now next one. Next question number 4th. Find a find a unit vector. Find a unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors. Perpendicular perpendicular to both the vectors I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap and I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. And this question came in CBSE 2020. Okay, please try this question and let me know if anyone have a problem. I will give you the hint. Very good, Abdur. You are correct. Yes, that's correct. Rifat and Fat, in case you have a doubt, please let me know. I will give you the hint here. Sorry, Abdur, will you please let me know what's your doubt? Normal cross product between, yes. All of you, please check here. You need to find a unit vector which is perpendicular to both this and this. Okay, this is a very important concept. Please check here. Suppose we have a two vector, and the question is find a vector which is perpendicular to both these two vectors. Who can tell me what we will find? The question is find a vector. Find a vector which is perpendicular to both these vectors. So what we need to find? We need to find the cross product. Abdur and Fahd, the problem is both of your pick is same. Okay, so I'm not able to understand that who is sending the answer. So in the next class, please one of you will change your pick. Okay, sometime your name is not visible here in the chat box. Okay, so the question is we have two vectors A and B. We need to find a vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. So in that case, we will find the cross product. Okay, because the resultant of the cross product is perpendicular to both A and B. Okay, now they are saying find a unit vector. So what you will do if you will find a cross product, you will get a vector, for example, 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap. If you're finding the cross product, suppose you are getting this, they are saying find a unit vector, then divide this with its magnitude. You know how to find a magnitude, 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Okay, so divide a vector with its magnitude, you will get a unit vector. Is it clear? Abdur, further Rifat? Okay, thank you, Abdur. Uh, Fa- Abdur, Fahad, and Rifat, is it clear? Okay, Abdul, very, very good. Fahad and Rifat, is it clear? Okay, okay, very, very good. Fahad, it is not clear? Okay, no issue. Rifat and Abdul, please continue this question. Okay, Fahad, please check here. So, if I'm saying, Fahad, that you have two vectors, A and B, if I'm saying find a vector which is perpendicular to both A and B, then what you will find? Suppose you have a vector A, you have a vector B. While when I was explaining the formula of cross product, I told you that A cross B is what? Magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta, n cap. Okay. So the direction of cross product is given by this n cap. What is n cap? N cap is a vector which is perpendicular to both A and B. So that means the cross product, the resultant of the cross product. Okay, if you are finding the cross product, then the resultant will be perpendicular to both A and B. Okay, the resultant of cross product is always perpendicular to both A and B. Remember this. Okay. So here they are saying find a unit vector which is perpendicular to both these vectors. uh, you have to find, in this case, yes, you have to find n cap. How you will find n cap? Find the vector A cross B. These are two vector. Okay. Find A cross B. Divide with its magnitude. You will get the n cap. Okay. But please understand the logic behind it because the next question will be quite different. Okay. Please complete this and share your answer. Is it done? Abdur, Fahd, Rifat? If anyone have a doubt, please tell me. Is it done? I will give you 3 more minutes, okay? Please complete it. Okay, no, it is not correct. First, tell me what the cross product you are getting for. First, what is the cross product you are getting? A cross B. First, what is the answer? Is it minus 4 I cap 4J plus 4K? Okay, this is correct. Okay, Fahd, this is correct. That's good. But then you are getting root 84. So 2, 1 into let me solve this. 4 square, okay. 4 square and 4 square. 4 square. So this will give you 16, 16, 32. So under root 58. Why you are getting 84? Just give me a minute. This is what? 16 plus 16 plus 16. Okay. So this is 32, 6, 48 under root 58. Okay. Why further you are writing 84? Now this is, sorry, it is 48, 48. Okay. So 24 into 2, or we can say this is 12. So even this 12 can be written as 4 into 3. So this is 4 root 3. Okay, first, not under root 84, it is under root 48. Uh, so who is getting this answer? Minus I cap plus j cap plus k cap by under root 3. Who is getting this answer? Because the 4 and 4 will get cancelled out. A cross B should be minus 4 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 4 k cap. Which vector you took in magnitude? Magnitude of the resultant one. If you are find observe, if you will find A cross B, then you will get this minus 4I 4J 4K. Are you getting this one, Abdur? Cross product? Yes, Fahad, your answer is correct. Very, very good. Okay, then okay, so then you need to divide this with its magnitude. This magnitude, okay? So find out its magnitude. It should be under root 48, which is 4 root 3. Then finally you will get this. Okay. Rifat, is it done? Rifat, is it done? Okay, great. Abdur, this clear? Okay, great, great. Now, try next question. There's also a very, very good question. Find find a vector, find a vector of magnitude 9, find a vector of magnitude 9, which is perpendicular, which is perpendicular, which is perpendicular to both the vectors, to both the vectors 4 I cap minus j cap plus 3k cap and minus 2 I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Okay. So who can tell me how can we solve this one? Any idea? Please read this question and let me know how can you solve it. No one. Okay. Please check here. If in this question, if I will ask you find a unit vector which is perpendicular to both these vectors, how you will solve this? If the question is find a unit vector which is perpendicular to both these two vectors, how you will solve it? Abdur, Fahd, Rifat, if you need to find a unit vector which is perpendicular to both these, how can we solve it? Why there is a pin drop silence? Last question was clear, Abdur? Same like last one. Yes, Fahd. Okay, if I will ask you that find a unit vector which is perpendicular to both these vectors, you will do in the same way as you have done the previous question. Okay. Now, Fahd, please tell me what is the magnitude of a unit vector? Fahd, what is the magnitude of a unit vector? Abdur, what is the magnitude of a unit vector? Rifat, what is the magnitude of unit vector? Yes, correct, Abdur. Rifat, what is the magnitude of unit vector? Magnitude is 1. Okay. The definition of unit vector is what? The vector whose magnitude is 1 is called the unit vector. Now, in this case, if you will find a unit vector, which is, yes, well, that's correct. In this case, if you will find a unit vector which is perpendicular to both these two vector, okay, and okay, you can find out that unit vector, and you know that its magnitude is 1. So if you will multiply that vector with 9, if you will multiply that unit vector with 9, then you will get your required answer. Is it clear for the Abdur and Rifat? First, find a unit vector, multiply that with 9, you will get your answer. Is it clear? Abdur, Fad, Rifat, is it clear? No. Okay. This is clear, Abdur. You can find a unit vector which is, oh, good, Rifat. Rifat, please continue this and share your answer. Okay. Okay, Fad, please continue this question. Okay. Abdur, please check here. Can you find a unit vector which is perpendicular to both these two vectors? Can you find that vector, Abdur? Abdur, can you find a unit vector which is perpendicular to both these vectors? By cross product, yes. First, as you have done the previous question. If I will, if you will see the previous question, then you have find out a unit vector which is perpendicular to both the vectors. Now you know that its magnitude is 1. The magnitude of a unit vector is 1. The magnitude of a unit vector is 1. So what we will do, if you need a magnitude of 9, then multiply that vector with 9. You will get your answer. Okay. So Abdul, please start this question. Find a unit vector which is perpendicular to both and then multiply with 9. Okay. In case you have any doubt, please let me know. But before that, please find that unit vector. The formula will be the magnitude. Yes. Okay. A cross B. By its magnitude, you will get the unit vector. Okay. And it is better if you will not learn the formula. Okay. In the final exam, you will have a lot of formula. So just find a you just find a cross product divides with its magnitude. You will get a unit vector. Then multiply that with 9. Okay. I will give you 5 minutes for this question. Very good, Rifat. That is correct. Very good. Abdur and Fahd, please share your answer. Final answer is this one, Abdur. Minus 3 I cap plus 6 j cap plus 6 k cap. Okay. Abdur, will you please tell me what the cross product you are getting? Cross product is minus I plus 2j plus 2k cap. Very good. Then you have to find out its magnitude. Its magnitude is 3 by 3. Okay. That's correct, Abdur. Root 9 is 3. Okay. After that, multiply this with 9. Everything is fine, Abdur. Just multiply with 9. So 3, 2. Multiply then this with 2. You will get your answer. Okay. Sorry, this is 3. Okay. You will get the answer. Share your final answer with me, Abdur. Afat, is it done?
No, sir.
Okay. Please complete it. Or let me know if you have a problem here. Good, Abdur. It is correct. So, Fad, I'm waiting just for you. Please complete it and share your answer. Very good, Fad. So, the next question is your homework. We will start a next type. Let A is equal to I cap minus j cap. This is your homework. B is equal to 3j cap minus k cap. And C is equal to 7I cap minus k cap. Find a vector D which is perpendicular, which is perpendicular, which is perpendicular to both A and B, to both A and B, and C dot D is equal to 1. Okay, so this question is your homework. I will write the answer here. So D is equal to 1 by 4 I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. Okay, note down this, raise your hands, then we will start the next topic. for the after 25 minutes. Okay. Okay, but your exams are coming up. You have only 2 months, so we have to complete our syllabus as soon as possible. Abdur and Rifat, is it done? Shall we start next? Abdur and Rifat, is it done? Okay, Rifat, is it done? Okay, great. Next is area of parallelogram. Next is area of parallelogram. Okay, area of parallelogram. So we have this. Suppose this is vector A and this is vector B. Okay, it is A, B, C, D. We need to find the area of this parallelogram. Okay. Now what I will do, I will draw a diagonal here. Now you know that these two triangles are congruent. So if we will find the area of this triangle and we will multiply that with 2, then we will get the area of the complete parallelogram. Okay. Now I will draw a perpendicular from this to here. Okay. Now there are two vectors A and B, and the angle between them is, let this be theta. Okay. I have drawn a perpendicular here. Now in this one, in this triangle, let this be M, and triangle ADM. Okay. Sine theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So for this, the perpendicular is DM and the hypotenuse is AD. Okay. So here we will get what? Shift this AD to this side. So AD sine theta is equal to DM. What is AD? AD is magnitude of B sine theta. Okay. And this is equal to DM. Now, what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle ADB is half into base into height. Base into height. Now, in this triangle ADM, what is the base? This one, AB is the base. So half into AB into height is DM. Now put all the values. Half into, what is AB? AB is magnitude of A. What is DM? DM is magnitude of B sine theta. Okay. Now you know that this AB sine theta is what? 1 by 2 as it is. What is this AB sine theta? It is nothing. It is the magnitude of the cross product. Okay. What is the cross product? It is magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta, and n cap. Okay. So this AB sine theta is what? It is just the magnitude of the cross product. So this is half A cross B. Is this clear? Area of triangle, if two vectors are given, you need to find the area of a triangle. Then you will use this formula, half into cross product of the vector. Is it clear? Please raise your hands. Abdur, Fahd, Rifat, is it clear, this formula? Abdur, Fahd, Rifat. Okay, Rifat. Abdur, okay, Fahd. Abdur, is it clear? Okay. Now we need to find the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram ABCD. Parallelogram ABCD. So this is equal to twice of area of triangle, twice of area of triangle, this one, ADB. ADB. Okay, so this is 2 into 1 by 2 A cross B. So this is equal to A cross B. So that means if two vectors are represented as the two adjacent sides of parallelogram and you need to find the area of the parallelogram, then that will be equal to magnitude of A cross B. Okay, if you have to find the area of parallelogram, then find the cross product and then find its magnitude. If a triangle is given, two vectors are given as the two sides of a triangle, you need to find its area, then half into cross product. Okay, so in this topic, I have given you two formulas. First is area of a triangle and second is area of the parallelogram. Okay, now please note down this. Again, raise your hand, then I will give you a question. Okay. Everyone, please raise your hands if it is done. Then I will change the slide. Okay. I will give you just a single question. Okay. Then your class will be over. So please complete this and raise your hand. Then I will give you a question. Okay, Rifat. Very good. Abdur and Fat, is it done? First formula is this. Okay. This is for the area of a triangle. Okay, for second formula is this one, area of parallelogram. So in the same topic, I have given you two formulas. One is the area of parallelogram and second is the area of a triangle. Okay. If they ask you about the area of triangle, use 1 by 2 cross product A cross B. If they ask you about the area of parallelogram, then use magnitude A cross B. Please note down this and raise your hands. Then I will give you a question. Okay. Or I will give you the question here. Please solve it and let me know. Find the area of a parallelogram. Find the area of the parallelogram determined by the vector determined by the vectors I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap and 3i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Okay, note down this, solve this question, share your answer, then your class will be over. Okay. Very good, Fat. Very good. This is correct. Now the homework is all the assignments of vector. So assignment number 1 to 4. Okay. Assignment 1 to 4, please complete this. And next week on Saturday, we will be able to complete this chapter and we can start 3D also. Okay. So if you wish further, you can drop. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Losses.
Allah Hafiz. Abdur and Rifat, please share your answer if it is done. Is it done, Abdur and Rifat? Uh, no, that's not correct, Abdur. These two are the vectors. If you're finding A cross B, then A cross B will be 8 I cap plus 8 J cap minus 8 K cap. Okay. 8 root 6, 8 root 3 will be then the correct answer. Rifat, answer is 8 root 3. Will you please again check this? Here you will get 8 square. Okay, great. So Rifat, please complete the homework. Okay, all the assignments are there in the group. If you are not able to find any assignment, please message me on the group. Okay, I will again share them. Okay then, thank you, Rifat. Okay, you're welcome. Abdur, did you find the mistake? It should be 8 I cap. Is it done, Abdur? No? Let me show this to you. So IJK 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 2, 1. Okay. So if you're finding the I cap, then this one 2 plus 2 into 3 is 6. So this will give you 8 I cap. Rest is correct. You're doing the mistake here. Is it now clear, Abdur? Abdur, is it clear now?
Sir, it is 2 minus 6.
Sorry, your
Sir, it's
voice is
2 minus 6.
2 plus 6. Here you have a
Hello, sir,
negative.
it's clear now.
Yes, it is clear now. Here, Bacha, here
Hello,
you
hello,
have.
hello, sir.
Am I audible, Abdur?
Sir, you're clear now.
Yes, it is clear. Check here, Abdur. Here it
It's
is
2 minus
negative.
2 plus. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, Abdur. Then please complete this. Are you getting 8 root 3?
Just a second, sir. I'm doing.
Oh, okay. Then please complete the homework, Abdur. Okay. Next week we will continue the same topic.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So shall I end the class, Abdur? Is it fine?
Sir, just a second. I'm just doing. After that,
Oh,
you can.
okay. I will wait.
Sir, it is under root 8 square plus 8 square plus 8 square.
Yes, that's correct. So take out 8 square common. So from the root, if you will take out outside, this become 8, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give you 3.
No, sir. How you got root 3?
Uh, take out 8 square common. So what you will get here? 1 plus 1 plus 1. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Then 8 square into 3. This is 8 square. You have a root. So this become 8.